Hello and terve from chilly but rainy Finland. Okay, yesterday night we got more news this morning of this Trump's peace deal. Or Trump's or Putin's, I don't know. It doesn't sound very good. At least in my ears. I don't know what the hell is going on with Trump now. Because when the tomahawks came up first time, he was pretty much like on the right track, I would say. And then suddenly, after that, Kremlin creep called him after that meeting with Zelensky. Everything changed. I don't know what he was threatening, maybe full-scale war or something like that, so Americans need the tomahawks themselves, or something like that. But if that's so, you should stop the bullying sooner than later. You remember Nazi Germany, what happened with them, because Chamberlain kicked the can further and further all the time. Then we had quite a massacre after that. So we don't want any communists, we don't want any Nazis, we don't want any scum like that. Dot. And we don't need any. Dot. So doesn't look good. Hope there's some sense coming to it, but smells danger, I would say, strongly. Hopefully President Trump will do some sensible choices. I mean, like I said yesterday, I'm not working in Ukrainian government or American government, and most definitely not Russian government, but those hobos I don't even shit on. Yeah. No, that's a bit of sad news, but let's see. We don't know it for sure. So, like and subscribe, and let's hope this Sunday brings us much better news. So enjoy your day. Bye.